booking agency, a manager, PR, and all of that stuff, what is some advice that you would give to them?
Interesting. From experience, if your brethren are gonna be a manager, brethren have to be able to run your brand like a Fortune 500. You have to understand showing up. You have to understand time. You have to understand what it is to be. So
Fresh drop.
it's like I would have never looked for nobody and tell them so them brethren can't be the manager, but choose a brethren that already wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, that already have a work ethic. That's different. You get what I'm dealing? Because my brethren and my manager, my brethren and my management team. So you get what I'm dealing? So it's a work ethic that makes it different. When looking at manager, look somebody who's focused on you. So but I try go to I realize that a lot of times people want that manager who has already a proven track record have another artist already. But when them have another artist, you're not the focal point. So find somebody that really believes in the talent and not the money. Somebody who was there before anything happened, who see it, recognize it, and is willing to nurture it and stick it out, wipe and stick it out, willing to